Today I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet charts. This is a powerful feature that helps you visualize your data through interactive graphs and charts, making it easier to track progress and share insights with your team. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, sign into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Smartsheet homepage where you can access all your sheets and dashboards. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Create button and click on it. This button is your gateway to building new sheets, dashboards, and other Smartsheet resources. From the options that appear, click on Dashboard, then click Get Started. This opens up your dashboard workspace where you'll be able to add various widgets to display your data visually. Now you're ready to add a widget. From the available options, choose Chart. This is the widget type that will allow you to transform your spreadsheet data into visual graphs. The chart widget is incredibly versatile and supports various chart types to suit different data visualization needs. Next, click on Add Data. This step is crucial because it's where you connect your chart to the actual data source. You'll see a list of your existing sheets and projects. Choose the sheet or project that contains the data you want to visualize in your chart. After selecting your data source, click OK. Now you need to highlight the specific columns and rows you want to include in your chart. This is where you define exactly what data points will appear in your visualization. Simply drag your mouse across the data range that you want to turn into a chart. Make sure you're selecting both your labels and values so the chart displays correctly. Once you've highlighted everything you need, click OK to confirm your selection. At this point, a graph will appear on your dashboard. But you're not done yet. You have plenty of customization options to make this chart work perfectly for your needs. First, you can adjust the chart type. Smartsheet offers various options like bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, and more. So choose the one that best represents your data. You can also add a title to your chart to make it clear what information it's displaying. This is especially helpful when you have multiple charts on a single dashboard. Next, adjust the horizontal axis and vertical axis labels to ensure your data is properly labeled and easy to understand at a glance. You can also customize the legend of the graph, which helps viewers identify different data series or categories within your chart. Additionally, explore the widget behavior settings. These options control how your chart interacts with users and updates when the underlying data changes. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, click Save. Your Smartsheet chart is now complete and will automatically update whenever the source data changes, giving you real-time insights into your project or workflow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.